and beauty face, make face and eye beauty.
So I'm going to turn it on in 3, 2, 1.
My name is Rebecca. My name is Rachel. We are GirlSparkles Abel.
Hi guys, and this is GirlSparkles. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you won't miss any of videos just like this. Okay, so in today's video, we have ordered our ring light and we're going to be opening it. This is an unboxing video. So we're going to be opening our very own ring light. I'm not sure what it came with because I can't quite remember. But yeah, so our ring light, we saved up so long, like we're so excited. Our camera, we're still waiting for that on the delivery. We're still waiting for our camera to come. And yeah, we're really excited. So Rachel's gonna get the box and we'll start opening.
Okay, so this is the box.
I mean, the delivery man didn't give it to us very well, like didn't deliver it very well because look how squished it is. And we got this delivery like two weeks ago.
I think we got it opened it since because we wanted to do an unboxing.
Because we wanted to do an unboxing video and we didn't have the time because of like schoolwork and everything. Anyway, yes, as you can see, we got it off Amazon. Okay, yes, now we're going to be opening it. Okie dokie. Yeah, and that's the ring light. Oh my god. So, let's put that down there. So, wow, I think that looks smaller than.
Yeah, expected. But so
this is our ring light, guys.
So as you can see, it says feel light and beauty face, make face and eye beauty, super bright at night, multiple color temperature. So it means like you can make it like high and low.
Yeah, okay, so now we're going to be opening it. And this is actually so amazing because we actually have a light and like we're going to have lots of equipment when we... Okay,
and it also has like a tripod in the middle.
Yeah, okay, now I'm gonna allow Rachel to hold it on top so you can see inside. So let's look at that. Alright. Whoa. Instructions. So this is an adjustment tool, I think. And this is a tripod. Oh my gosh, we got a tripod. Oh my gosh, this is sick. Is it a selfie stick now? Okay, so we've got that. Then we've got a mini tripod. Oh my gosh. And it opens up like this. It's like probably for a desk or something. So maybe okay, we've got that. And then we have got this. I don't know what this is yet. We'll have to figure it out.
You have to screw it to the
okay. We'll be making our tripod, so you'll be able to see that. So we've got that as well. And then we've got the actual light. You have to be so careful with this because this is really fragile. And we've also got this for like the control. Can you turn the picture on? Okay guys, so this is the stand. We're about to turn it on. I found this Amazon plug that I had a long time ago. So now I'm gonna plug it in like this, and I'm gonna plug it into mine. Okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna turn it on in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! You can see it so clearly, it's so bright, like oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna try and do like this stuff, so make it darker. This is our first reaction, we've never actually done this before. Make it really bright.
Oh my god.
Oh my, this is so cool. But oh my gosh, like our face is glowing so much. Like, this is so nice. You can make it like cream.
Cool.
And then this is like really, really bright. And this color, or this color, is the one we're going to be using for our videos from now on. But now we just need our camera. Because currently I'm using my phone, so. Okay, so that was, so as you can see, there's a total difference. Like, our videos are gonna be so much brighter, so much better right now. So currently the windows are open, so now I'm going to close the curtains, and I am going to, you can barely see us.
Yeah, because, okay, so they're closed.
So they're closed, and this is how it looks. So when we're doing videos like in the night, we don't need to be worried about the lighting or anything, because this is really cool. Yeah, you can try it. Just press the.
That actually looks better.
This yeah, for like night videos, we should do this one.
Yeah, like.
What are you doing? Oh, I'm making it darker. Oh my gosh, it makes it so dim, and then that makes it like look really
More
cool.
focused.
Yeah, make it. Yeah. Oh my! I'm so excited right now. Thank you, God, for this. This is really cool. Come closer. Like, okay, this is really cool. I don't want to waste the battery if it has a battery. I can barely see. Okay, this is the brightest, and this is number 2. It's like really cool. Let's see, skin's glowing, and this is I actually like this one though, for like places like this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to
Share,
subscribe,
like,
and turn on the post notifications. So we are so grateful to have our very own ring light. The light is kind of blinding right now, but yeah, to have our very own ring light, we are so happy. Thank you, Jesus. Yeah, and we're hoping to do another unboxing video for our camera that we're going to get soon.
so we're saving up for our camera, and hopefully we're going to get it soon.
Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video once again. See you in our next videos. Bye. Hi everyone. If you watched the video till the end, make sure you comment that emoji. The comment section will be open. Also, we recently gained 500 subscribers, and we just wanted to say a big
Thank you.